Yay! So our YouTube channel has already 19 subscribers. Alright, thank you for that. And in our Facebook page, we have 50 likers.
Congratulations, it's a celebration. Party all day, I know you've been waiting. Congratulations, it's a celebration. I just wanna tell you that I think that you're amazing.
For today, my friend Sheila, she requested that you will make a sweet and sour fish. So I will gonna take that challenge or grant that request, but it's a no budget show. So whatever here will be the ingredients of our fish here. We just have one. So let's have a raid in the fridge. Alright.
Ooh, nothing. So what can I use for sweet and sour? Okay. Carrots. Alright, this ginger. Then lemon. And onion. That's it. So, okay. Lemon, because it's sweet and sour, and yeah, we will use this one. Can you read it? Can you? No? Okay, can you? Okay. Anyways, a sweet chili sauce. So, let's try.
Alright, so procedures of our sweet and sour fish. First, we will gonna fry the fish. And then after that, we will gonna set it aside. And then we will start to saute our other ingredients. So first, ginger, onion, carrots. We're gonna stir fry everything, and then we will put our sweet chili sauce. Then when it's ready, we will squeeze our lemon. Then that's it. That's our sweet and sour fish, and I hope it will work. And if not, then let's eat our mistake.
Let's try our sweet and sour fish. So, too much vegetables, but I think it's fine because I like vegetables, so. Yeah, sour. And you might ask that why didn't I use vinegar? First, I don't have vinegar here because I'm not a huge fan of vinegar. Second is I'm having runny nose, so I need to have citrus, and lemon is good for it, so I have lemon. So I will use whatever in my fridge, so that's why I did not use vinegar, because I don't have.
Rice, please.
Congratulations, it's a celebration. Party all day, I know you've been waiting. Congratulations, it's a celebration. I just wanna tell you that I think that you're amazing.
Well, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. And if you want more, subscribe. And if you like the video, like it. And if you don't, then you can send me an email. That's all. Thank you.
Congratulations.